I'm Brittany with WTI, and I feel every bed or couch needs companions.
And these MOFAIN white nightstands are my couch's new companions. They were so easy to put together and install the outlets. I was able to assemble everything on my own. There is so much storage with the open cubby and the two roomy drawers. It's perfect for games, camera supply, speakers, charging cords, anything you can think of. The hooks are adjustable, are great for glasses, keys. I personally like hooking my charging cords. They have each 2 outlets and USB ports. The cubbies are really great for storing our router and also our Bluetooth speaker. These outlet options are great for if I need to charge my Bluetooth speaker or if I'm wanting to just charge any of my needs. My phone, my tablet, and there's a lot of room for charging any other devices, my tracking watch, anything like that. And then, of course, the Surface allows you to have your beverage of choice by your side.
So I really appreciated having these nice stands by our couch because it really has allowed multitasking to be so relaxing. And that's my point of view.